Hello friends, this is Sandeepan here back again with another unboxing video, and today I have a wireless Bluetooth earphone from U&I Titanic series, and today I'm gonna unbox this thing in front of you guys. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. Okay, so now we are ready with the unboxing part. Let's see what's inside it. Okay, so as you can see, this is the box and nothing else here. So this is the U&I Titanic series Bluetooth earphone that I have, and here are some of the features mentioned here. So brand is U&I and it is a neck back Bluetooth earphone, and it comes with a microphone, and it comes with a backup of 10 hours, which is pretty good. And now let's see what's inside it. Let's take it out. Okay, so it looks pretty cool, and let's see what else we have. Okay, so we have a charging cable also with it, and okay, so here's our U&I neckback Bluetooth earphone. The neck back is flexible, you can see, and it has 3 buttons for volume up, volume down, and a pause button, and it's a basically multifunctional button. And if you hold these 2 buttons for some seconds, it will work as a next and previous button. And here we have the charging point, you can see, and the wire in my opinion is pretty thin, so you have to use it carefully. And the earbuds are magnetic, you can see. So in the first impression, what I feel, I will give 3.9 out of 5, and for rest of the things I have to use it for some days, then I can give a perfect review for it. So that's all for today. Hope you find this video helpful. If so, give a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my YouTube channel so that I can make more such videos for you. Hope to see you in my next videos. Till then, goodbye.